Need to return your Spectrum cable box? Here's the lowdown. Spectrum considers cable boxes rented equipment, so prompt returns are crucial to avoid ongoing rental fees, usually $5 to $15 monthly. You'll want to return the box, power cord, and remote within 30 days of disconnecting service. Two main options exist: drop-off and shipping. Drop-off is free at UPS stores, Spectrum stores, or authorized retailers. No appointment needed. For shipping, Spectrum provides prepaid labels via their website or app. Pack the box securely. Remember to keep receipts or confirmation emails to dispute potential charges and ensure you get credited in a timely manner. As of 2025, Spectrum aims to phase out physical boxes in favor of streaming apps by 2027, potentially making returns obsolete. The key to avoiding fees is returning the equipment in like-new condition, free of damage. Reset the box by unplugging it for 10 seconds before returning. If you lose or damage the box, fees will apply, though Spectrum may offer payment plans. Keep an eye out for potential delays in processing returns, which can take 4 to 6 weeks for fee credits. If you encounter issues, document everything. Recent class action lawsuits have highlighted problems with return processes, so maintaining records is essential. To avoid issues with drop-off locations lacking proper scanning tech, consider getting a drop-off receipt. By understanding these steps, you can navigate the return process smoothly and avoid unnecessary charges.